So the Mometrix, as some people say, is the National Clinical Mental Health Council exam codes. These codes are good until July 2025 for Wayground. Yes, Wayground. No, it's a quiz. Formally changed it in the last week or so, but yes, it is the same app. You might have some technical difficulties with the app, so I'll always recommend using the computer for right now. That has been good or reliable. Make sure to erase your cookies, cache, all those things to make sure that it's a smooth transition. But the app is still questionable for some. So, what have worked for you? Please leave a comment. That way we can all help each other figure out what works best. So, without further ado, these questions for the Mometrix people who are taking the National Clinical Mental Health Counseling exam. So we have areas of clinical focus, core counseling, attributes, counseling skills and intervention, psychiatric disorders and diagnoses, intake assessment and diagnostics, intake. Did I just say intake already? Professional practice and ethics, treatment planning and case studies. Okay. I was getting a little too excited with intake assessment diagnoses. But yeah, so these Wayground codes are good until July 31st. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you have not liked or subscribed, please do so. It means so much to me. Been doing this for 2 years now. I love it and I enjoy it, and I always have you here with me and support me. So without further ado, here are the codes. Enjoy and happy studying.